that they're ripping families away from each other in, this effort to enforce an immigration enforcement is an immoral thing. You wouldn't want that to happen to you, would it? Actually, let me ask you that question. Would you want that to happen to you?
I wouldn't. And you know what I do to avoid that?
Of course.
I don't enter other countries illegally.
Okay. So
So this gentleman right here, since he decided to yell in here, I'm assuming that he has some sort of property, maybe a dorm room, maybe an apartment he stays in. I'm willing to bet that if he came home one day and I was sitting in his apartment, kicked up with my feet on the table and watching the TV, he would call the police. The police would come over, and here's what they would do. They would check his ID and that address in order to determine whether or not he had a legal right to be there. Then they would check my ID and my address to determine if I had a legal right to be there. Now, if I didn't have a legal right to be here, you know what they'd do? They'd remove me. It is very similar with respect to immigration law. If you're in the country illegally, we can deport you by virtue of the fact that you're not here legally. Now, if we'd like to do what you apparently seem to be suggesting, which is then haul that same immigrant before a court of law, incarcerate them, try them, convict them, and then fine them for violating federal immigration law, and then deport them, we could do that, but I don't think the immigrants you claim to support would like that idea.